Hey ya people, this is Khushi Savar and you're welcome here. So if you've watched my previous video, you must know that I am in Mahabaleshwar right now. And if you haven't, then definitely should go and watch it right now because it was so much fun to explore new places in Mahabaleshwar. So today is my third day in Mahabaleshwar and this is around 9:04 in the morning. So what we planned for today is that we were supposed to go take a walk in the morning, but it was raining heavily, so we couldn't do that. But now it has stopped raining, so we just got a little freshen up. Now we'll go out, take a walk in the resort. So yeah, let's go ahead. So as you saw in the previous video, entire place is covered in green and beautiful cute pink and white flowers. So now, okay, it's only both right now for walking. So we have come to the pool area. Look, but I don't think it's accessible because of COVID. So it's 9:30 and yes, it started again. पूरा हर जगह fog आ गया है. Look, it looks beautiful, but yes, morning में थोड़ा सा greenery and all दिख रहा था, तो maybe we missed that. But yes, although with the fog, it looks beautiful. This place now gives me Shimla wala feel. Look at these houses, fog, mountains. बस snow की थोड़ी कमी है, but yes. We'll go to game zone. Last Yeah, good morning. So we finally got ready and we first thought that we should visit some points which are open. So we tried to go at the Elphiston point, but entry was closed and some other way to go there. And now I don't know, we are going to some other point. Hi. Talking to Papa. Even this point is closed, and also we inquired about other points. They said all the other points are closed in Mahabaleshwar, just the Venna Lake is open. So all these points are closed. So if you're planning a trip to Mahabaleshwar, just keep in mind that you won't be able to visit these points at least now in the month of June, July. At Venna Lake, यहाँ पे boating and all, as I mentioned earlier, it's not allowed. But फिर you can definitely view it from here. It looks quite deep now. वैसे भी monsoons here are very heavy, but तो भी बहुत ज़्यादा deep लग रहा है. Did you see that we spotted a lake in Venna Lake? So after Venna Lake, we have now come to Mahabaleshwar city, and now currently we are in the marketplace. In the city, you have to wear mask compulsory. If you are caught without wearing it, so you'll have to pay a 500 rupees fine. By the way, the market is partly open. Only the food shops are open in the name of essentials. So no shopping for us. So we got bored in the market and thought of coming to Mapro for lunch and just for site visiting. But when we came here, we got to know that it is closed, and talking about food, only takeaways are allowed. But when we inquired more, we came to know that the market, Mapro, it was all open yesterday. That means only on Saturday and Sunday these things will be closed. So if you are wanting to come here, then you should plan a trip accordingly. I mean, don't prefer a weekend if you really want to go visit Mapro and other tourist places. We came back to our resort. Rooms have been changed. Yeah, I'll give you a room tour. and now it's raining outside, so we're enjoying a cup of coffee. So I came down for karaoke, but I think it's closed. But look how much foggy it has become. I am really very sorry I couldn't take you along with me last night. Actually, my camera died. But this is the next day. Today we are leaving Mahabaleshwar around 12 o'clock, and this is 8:30. I just got ready and came out. I'm gonna miss this view so much. So unreal for me. Like, within 10 minutes you can see entire place covered in fog or entire place lush green. There is nothing in between. It is just the flow so fast. Everything gets covered in 2 minutes, I guess. And also you cannot even predict rain. Rain comes and goes any time of the day. Like, it's so much fun to be here. So catching up with you after breakfast and playing. So now it's photo session time. Obviously you know the reason why. Everywhere it's the same. Now we're done with all the photo session and it started to drizzle. But drizzling में भी इतना मज़ा आ रहा है. ऐसा लग नहीं रहा कि we should go inside the room and be protected. It is so much fun. And यहाँ पे थोड़ा बीच में fog clear हो रहा है, आ रहा है. So it's very much fun to watch it. The resort, you find these arches everywhere. These look so cute in the pictures. Bye bye. So at the end, I'm happy and sad both. Sad because my journey in Mahabaleshwar has come to an end, and happy because I'm leaving with a bunch of memories. So by this, I enjoyed the entire weekend in Mahabaleshwar a lot. So, and if you've enjoyed it too, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!